Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been thinking about how I can be putting out more content for you guys lately, and I'm trying to figure out a way where it works where I can put out 2 videos a week instead of just 1. I feel like 1 just isn't enough. I want to connect with you guys more. I post like once or twice a day on Instagram, and I'm constantly interacting with people on there, and then my YouTube just goes up on Mondays and then nothing for the rest of the week. So I wanted to find a way to put out more content twice a week, but without adding too much more work for me, because I do work full time and it is really busy right now. So I wanted to find a way that works both ways, where I can still put out a full video on Mondays and then 1 throughout the week. And so the way that I'm doing this is I'm going to be putting out 2-minute reviews on my channel. I am going to choose a product, whether it be skincare or makeup or hair care, whatever it is, and the video will be dedicated to that product. Full 2 minutes on if you should buy it, if you shouldn't, pros, cons, how to use it, that sort of thing. And I thought that this would be helpful instead of doing like a long 15-minute video review on a product, because I tend to sift through reviews really quickly, especially if they're long, because I just want exactly what I'm gonna get out of this review. I just want to know about the product and move on. So I thought that this would be a good way to talk about these products on my channel, but without doing like a full 15-minute video on them. Now, if it's a whole line of products or favorites videos and things like that, those will be longer. But when it comes to a product that I just want to get that information out there, I'm gonna do a 2-minute review for you guys. So today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off, this is just like a long introduction, but usually through the 2-minute reviews, I'll just get right into it so that it's fully just 2 minutes. I mean, I could totally be wrong, and when I edit this, it's gonna be longer or shorter or whatever, but I wanna do around 2 minutes, so we'll see how that goes, and then I can change it up here or there. But essentially that's the idea of this series, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. I really want you guys to interact with me and let me know what products I should be reviewing. There's like a whole bunch of concealers on the market now, a ton of new skincare is coming out, so I want you guys to let me know what you guys want to see. So it's intriguing content for you guys, essentially. So I'm going to move on to the 2-minute review. The first product that I'm going to be doing my first 2-minute review on is the SUPERBERRY Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask by Youth to the People. They actually gifted this product to me, and they usually send me their new products, which I am so beyond grateful for. They're very clean, they're very natural, and they don't irritate my sensitive skin. And on Sephora, they have that like clean at Sephora sticker on all of their products. And that tends to be what I look for when I buy skincare, because I don't know, it's like the easiest way to not read ingredients, and you just see that sticker on there and you just go for it. That's what I usually do, at least. I don't tend to look at the ingredients, which I know is bad, but maybe we'll get into that in 2019. Okay, so I'm bad at this 2 minutes already because I'm like rambling, but I'm gonna get into the review of this. So the texture of this is really creamy, really thick, is so much more hydrating than I expected it to be. I know that this is like a hydrating nighttime mask. What you're supposed to do is put it on after your skincare, or I sometimes just put it on after I put my physical exfoliator, and then I just leave it all night long. And this really soaks into my skin, and my skin looks glowy the second I put it on and the second I wake up, which is incredible. The other day, this is like my favorite story. The other day I was at my aunt's house and she was like, "Did you just go get a facial?" And I was like, "No." She was like, "Your skin is so glowy, it looks hydrated, it's plump, like it literally looks like you just got like $100 facial." And I was like, "Thank you." And the only thing that I had put on my skin the night before, other than washing it with a cleanser, is this mask. And it was the first time I had tried it, and I was like, oh my god, like that's insane. And the reason why I didn't have any makeup on was because I was running late, and honestly my skin looked good without any makeup, so I didn't want to cover it up, which is so incredible. I usually just like put a little bit of concealer on or whatever, but that day I was like, no, I gotta let the glow shine through, and this is really what that did for me. I love this. Oh my god, I'm already at 7 minutes recording. Ugh. I can tell that this is going to turn into like a 5-minute review. So this is the texture of the product right here. It goes on so smooth. Honestly, if this was a primer, it would be a smoothing primer, but it doesn't have any silicones in it, which is like amazing. It goes on in a really thick layer, which is really nice because it's like protecting your skin. It says that you can use this on top of all of your skincare products, like as the last step, but honestly this does enough on its own, and I just use it after I cleanse my skin and it still has the same effects. It has a really light scent, like none of their products have a scent in them, but it's just naturally derived from the ingredients, and that's what I really love about this skincare line, is that it's so natural, it's so good for your skin, and you know you're not putting crap on your face that's going to irritate it, and that's usually my issue with my sensitive skin. Because this is a hydrating mask, you can use it any day of the week. It's not really gonna affect your skin if you use it a lot, but they did mention that this is more of a nighttime mask versus a daytime like moisturizer. I'm not exactly sure why, but I mean, I'm not gonna push it. I'm just gonna use it as a nighttime mask, and that'll be it. As of right now, I'm loving how this is making my skin look, and I've actually stopped using my moisturizer, and I'll just pop this on at night, which is like, it's kind of crazy to me because I love my Drunk Elephant Protini, but I don't know, like this is just making my skin look really beautiful, especially in this really shitty winter weather where it's drying out my skin. This just makes it look so much more hydrated. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up this 2-minute review here because I really don't know how much footage I have and I'm kind of worried. Obviously this video isn't gonna be 2 minutes because I like had this really long talk at the beginning, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna work it down to a science, and I hope that you guys like these videos. If you do, let me know in the comments and let me know the product that you want me to review next, because I want to start doing one of these every single week. So that wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!